without an ad, which means videos that are less than 1 minute do not gain a lot of ads. You get me? Videos that are less than 1 minute do not gain a lot of ads. See, I just tap on this and this, there is no ads over here, which means these videos that are 1 minute, 2 minute videos that doesn't contain a lot of ads. Yeah, so if you're a YouTuber and a content creator and you're watching me, when you're uploading video, just upload videos that are very longer, and you have to also choose a niche that is so attractive, or a niche that you think people might be interested in. Don't just choose any niche just because maybe it's something that someone is doing, so you have to do the same thing. No, you have to choose a niche that is so helpful, that is easy for you to do when you are doing like niche that you feel comfortable of doing. You get me? So that's how it is with me. I really like doing this kind of videos because I feel like doing it, and when you put that aside, I also feel shy to show my face on social media, so that's the reason why I just created this channel, and I'm using this channel for fun, and that's it. So you see, the video has just ended and nothing like an ad displayed. But when you go over here on Google and you play the video on Google, you're going to see ads over here. So just look at Mr. Beast video. It's contain ads over here. Just have a look. You see, one over here, we have two, we have three, we have four, and after that we have five, we have 6 and 7. So that's how it is. And let me check this also. You see, this is 16-minute video, and I got only 4 ads on it. So let's start to play it, and you're going to see ads over here on this video. So if you're new over here, tap on the subscribe button, like the video, share the video with your friends, and also don't forget to share this video and comment down below if you have any question. I just try to fix problems with people. So if you feel like you want me to help you fix a problem, just let me know, and we are going to fix this problem. So as you can see, it's playing. Okay, so it's playing. So you're going to see ads, so you just watch it. You're going to see ads over here. It's getting closer to that section. Just have a look. I don't know the reason why it should have started around this place. It should have started around that place. Okay, let me try to play Mr. Beast one to see whether we are going to see ads or not. So that's it. I'm coming. Let me check my own. So okay, when you move, it's not like YouTube, it doesn't play. Okay, so let's keep on watching this. I think this, let's see whether, I just want to see whether this ad is going to display or not. So as you can see, it's getting closer to that section. So we just passed by none ads place over here, and I don't know the reason why. Same happens on my video. We just passed one without ads playing. So let's try to see whether ads is also going to play over here. After confirming it, then we